Hey everyone, this is Mr. Carroll. I threw together this screencast because we've gotten a lot of long lines in the library this week to print Google Docs. It is possible for any student to print any Google Doc from their iPads, and I just want to show you guys how. The first thing to do is to make sure your iPad is up to date. To do that, just go into your settings, go into General, tap on Software Update. See, I'm up to date, so I should be good to go. You'll also want to make sure that your Google Docs app is up to date. If you're a student, you'll just have to go into self-service and tap on the reinstall button. If you're a teacher, you'll have to go into the App Store and just make sure your updates are all installed. And then once you do that, open the doc you want to print. I just have this aptly named test page. Once you're in the doc, you just want to tap on the three dots in the upper right-hand corner, the ellipses right here. Scroll down to Share and Export, tap Print, and then once you do that, it'll take a second to load, and then you want to tap Google Cloud Print. The only printer available to students is the one in the library. Teachers will have access to many more printers, but students, they will only be able to print two of the Marshall Simons Learning Commons. So tap on MS Lib CM4540. This page will load, and then once it does, all you have to do is hit Print. And that should be it. If it doesn't work, I'd suggest the usual, make sure you're up to date, reboot your iPad. If it's still not working, just come up and see me in the Learning Commons. Thank you.